Hello traders, why I'm still bearish on the euro versus the US dollar before the FOMC. So today I will talk about the euro versus the US dollar, about the dollar index, and about the Federal Reserve, about the Federal Open Market Committee. Here is the risk disclaimer. You can email support if you have questions. Please follow us on Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, you have a link right below this video, and for only £35 per month you can become a VIP member. Okay, so you can access the link. So why I'm still bearish here on the euro versus the US dollar, and if you're a VIP member, you already know that I've shared my pending order in euro versus the US dollar yesterday. That setup is still valid. Yeah, so I'm still keeping that pending order before the FOMC. So let's take a look also here on the economic calendar. Earlier the US reported worse than expected retail sales indicators data, and yeah, but guys, right now in my opinion, yeah, so euro versus US dollar rallied today only because the dollar index retreated. Yeah, slipped lower. You can see here that, and I've talked about something like this earlier in my analysis for the VIP members. So something like this after its failure maybe to stabilize above the 98.67, above the upper medium line, above the weekly pivot point. So the current sell-off forced the euro versus the US dollar to jump higher, and right now the euro versus the US dollar continues to challenge, to pressure this resistance area here, 1.0990, 1.1019, and also personally I have here this inside sliding parallel line. So after this drop here, personally I've drawn here something like an inside sliding parallel line, yeah, as a dynamic support, and right now this line represents a dynamic resistance. So we have also a confluence area here at the intersection between the sliding line with 1.1019. So as long as the price continues to stay right below this confluence area, only false breakout, test retest, rejections from here, or a bearish pattern, false breakout with great separation, or any other bearish pattern here could signal that the pair could come back down. And also this could be only a temporary growth. Okay, so that's why yeah, if you're a VIP member, you already know that I shared my setup, my trade, my pending order with you guys. And I want to talk also about this level here, 1.0930, former low. So yesterday it would have been a big mistake to sell it, yeah, after escaping from that minor. So we had something like this here in the short term, yeah, something like a potential pattern here, like an up channel. So that's why personally I've selected, and I've selected another entry, yeah, for my pending order. So something like this, and maybe this was considered as a bearish pattern, this up channel, but please take a look here, yeah, breakdown, and then the price jumped higher. Yeah, it was only a false breakdown here below this former low. So it would have been a really big mistake to sell it maybe after this breakdown, or maybe right below this former low. That's why personally I've selected another entry for my pending order. Yeah, so right now I'm still keeping that pending order because my setup here in euro versus the US dollar is still valid. So later today, as you already know, yeah, later today the FOMC press conference could bring sharp movements. The federal funds rate is expected at 0.50%. Yeah, 0.25% growth expected here. FOMC statement could bring sharp movements as well. So you have to be careful, yeah, because anything could happen. Most likely euro versus US dollar will register sharp movements in both directions before developing a strong movement in one direction. Okay, so yeah, that's why personally I'm still bearish here. As long as the price continues to stay here below these resistance levels, only false breakouts, yeah, or a major, even if the price will jump above it, a major or a false breakout, a major bearish engulfing, or any other bearish pattern could signal that the price could still come back down. Okay, so later I will host a live webinar during the FOMC. Okay, thank you guys.